evening, guys. Happy Sunday. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. I don't even know what to say. All I can tell you is you made me cry. You made me cry so much. I feel so embraced by all of you. There are words I can't even come up with to say what I want to say. Thank you for loving me, for supporting me, and just being the most kind community I have ever known. I'm blessed. I can't believe I started this YouTube channel years ago and have made such connections with you that I feel like I'm okay to express myself and talk about things where some people might say, don't put that out there. I'm who I am. I'm not embarrassed or ashamed of anything. Life happens, and that's what it is. Jess and I have a lot planned for you, and I just am starting off my day here with a cup of coffee with the Optavia hot chocolate. Oh my God, my mind is just... I will be door dashing again later today when Jess goes to band practice, but we're going to make a nice video for you. And as we go along the day, I'll show you what I'm having. 5 in 1, day 2, baby. Day 2. Yum. Showered. Wearing short sleeves today. It's actually in the 50s right now. So I have my little light black jacket. It's time to eat again, having a bar. Jess and I are going to head out to do some errands, so we're going to bring you with us, and let's enjoy the day together. See you wherever we wind up. First stop is 7-Eleven. Whoop, whoop. Getting some water.
What do you want?
No, what did you just say?
Said you needed something to fit in the cup holder, so which one? The cup holder is round, so we can't get squares. It's nice.
It's a skin.
It's from Iceland. Look, that'll fit in the cup holder. You tell me what to get. I'm getting you what I want to get.
So it's interesting, when you're on carnivore and you're in a 7-Eleven, it's so easy to find a snack. When you're on Optavia, not so easy. But I'm not even hungry, I just ate that bar. Grabbing a bottle of water while we're in here. Jess is hanging out with some little old lady because we love seniors, we just love them. We're here at Walmart. We're gonna look at what's new and show you, share with you what's new at Walmart. Here we go. They have hats, ladies. Little Panama hats. Oh.
That's right, gentlemen. They've got hats. More black jackets that all look the same.
Yep. Let's see. Oh yeah. Eat your heart out, ladies. Eat your heart out, ladies. Let me see from the front. Yeah, you look good in that.
No, sir.
No, it's really nice. Flexible?
Yeah, it's stretchable.
Let's see from the back. Very nice. Very nice, babe. You look handsome. I love this t-shirt. Dolly Parton. Awesome. What does that say? Y'all need Jess.
Y'all need Jess. And then when you're convinced you do, let Lori know.
Yep. Y'all need Jess.
Yep.
That is so funny. You
Sure,
know you need that
Sure,
shirt.
there is something.
Wait, if you get that shirt, we can mark out the U in black and it can just say y'all need Jess.
Yeah, and we can say the company is blasphemy.
These were my most favorite summer shoe last summer. They have them here for $14.98 and they have this gray color. Oh, they also have it in white, but white gets dirty really fast. Hot pink, which is cute. Flowers, smiley, and a maroon color. These are just adorable. Adorable. All right, I found a pair that I freaking love. They're the cloud slippers, and they have leopard, and it's braided and soft. Look at that. These are $12. I wish I could get them. So found these that remind me of Keds, and they come in this mint green, light pink. These are the ones I buy every summer with the gold back. Love them. But these are only $12. Look at that. Aren't these adorable? What? Are you on the clearance rack?
Yes, I'm starting a bidding war. I was wondering, with your artistic mindset, what
Yeah.
do you see in this image?
I see a horizon. What do you see? Oh my God. I'm dying. Well, we just got home from Walmart. I can't tell you, I had the best laugh. That last clip, when we walked out, I was crying. He just cracks me up. I hope you guys understand our humor. This is Jess and Lori. Like, that is the Jess and Lori story. We do that all the time. No matter where we are, we're cracking jokes with one another. We're laughing. It's just something that we do. And I know, it may seem a little corny, but that's what we do. We laugh at each other. We always find stuff. A couple of years ago, Jess and I were in Macy's. I'll tell you a little story. It's so funny. And they had this giant clearance rack, and it was the most hideous stuff, like patterns and prints that nobody clearly wanted, right? It was on clearance, cheap as could be. And he starts pulling stuff off the rack and holding it up to himself, and women that were walking in the department were hysterical. We were all laughing at him. He was legit, like, putting on a show without even realizing it. And I'm telling you, the guy is just too much. I find him hilarious, and I hope you do too. We're home now, and we just pulled in. He just went inside to get the dogs' leashes on. We're going to take them for a walk. And I came prepared with a shake. And look at that, because, that family member of mine had never been on Optavia before. A little shaker cup came. I'm so excited. So I made a shake, chocolate shake. And I'm going to drink it right now. Haven't had one of these in so long, and I am excited. Salud. Here we go. Oh, so good. So delicious. Very nice. This is day 2, and I am feeling really good. I was really, really scared to do this. You know my reasons if you watched yesterday's video. It's purely financial. But I'm really enjoying it, and I'm doing what I have to do. I have energy. I don't feel deprived. In fact, it's kind of nice to have things, that have a little bit of sweetness to it again. I'm hoping this doesn't cause any type of cravings. I'm hoping that the low calories after a couple days doesn't throw me into a binge. But so far, so good. When we come back at my next fueling, I think I'm going to do my lean and green. But I know that I feel good today, and I can only focus on the present moment. I can't, my headspace today is a lot better than it was the last couple of days. I feel better. I feel energized. The sun is out. I have my sunglasses. Time to eat again. Here's what I'm making. These are the Trader Joe's turkey burgers. Now, if you look on the side, it gives the nutritional information. There is 10 grams of fat per patty. So these are definitely not the leanest. So I'm going to go with the lean category. I'm going to have 2 of these, which would equal 5 ounces of cooked. And I'm going to make some broccoli. And I may put a wedge of Laughing Cow as a condiment. I'm not going to have any added fat because of the fat content in these. So let's get cooking on the stove. It's lean and green time. And according to this book that came with the order, I have, I can use for a condiment, where is it? Here it is. Soy sauce and yellow mustard. Each condiment is 1 tablespoon. So I have the low sodium soy sauce, which I'm going to put on my broccoli. And I have a tablespoon here, so let's measure that out. I might actually do like half a tablespoon because it will bloat me. So half a tablespoon of soy sauce on the old broccolini. Here we go. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of yellow mustard. And that's another condiment. So let's get that in the old, hold on guys. All right, so I didn't go a full tablespoon. Again, this is very much full of sodium. So half a tablespoon of mustard will be just enough for me. And then for my third condiment, I actually am going to do, ooh, that's a lot of mustard. I am going to do a wedge of light Laughing Cow. And I'm going to split it down the middle and put half on each turkey burger. I probably should have done this before the mustard, but whatever. It's all going down into one place, right? All right, so this looks really, really good. And that is my lean and green. So I still have that box in my living room here. I got to somehow organize it, but just pulled that out. The blueberry biscuit. Time to eat again, so I am going to have my biscuit. All right, guys, so last but not least, I'm doing the hot chocolate in my coffee just as I started my day. I'm not having this probably for another hour or so. Hi, Jess. But I wanted to film it now because I have some errands to run tonight and I have a couple things that I want to do to prepare for my part 2 interview tomorrow. Tomorrow is our son Kevin's birthday, so there's a lot going on. We're just signing off. I love you. So I just wanted to wind down the video. I hope you all had fun with us today. I hope that you enjoyed my 5-in-1, and I guess we'll see you tomorrow, right? And as we always say, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you have a great week. Love you. Bye.
Together.